What's up guys, Francis Abogonye here today, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without actually making videos. Yeah, this might sound very awkward to a lot of people, and they may be like, YouTube is actually a video platform. How are we going to literally make money on YouTube without making videos? What are we going to be putting on YouTube actually? But you can actually do this, but the strategy is that it's not going to be your content, or you're not going to be doing much on the videos. That is how it's going to work. So if you're new here, my name is Francis Abogonye. I mostly make entrepreneurship videos, make money online. I share my journey as well as my experiences with you guys right here on this channel. So I'm putting out content for the next 30 days. So to enable you not to miss out on my content, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, take that bell notification icon. That way you get notified when I put out daily content. So without any further ado, let's jump right to the video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do this strategy without creating your own videos. Now, first things first, when you head on to YouTube, and let's say you belong to a particular niche, let's say you want to start up a YouTube channel around a particular niche. I like this niche a lot. Let's say kids. Not this in caps. Let's say kids. Let's search kids. So when you search on kids on YouTube, when you just type in the keyword kids on YouTube, let's say you want to go into the kids niche on YouTube, because a lot of kids are really watching YouTube currently because there's YouTube Kids. You know, some people are streaming YouTube on their TV for their kids to watch at home recently. So it's a very, very good niche. You can see right here, my vidIQ score is saying that it's the search volume is actually on 100 and the competition score is 99%. So it is very, very high. Now you can install this vidIQ plugin. You know, it's a Chrome extension. It's a Chrome extension. You can actually install it on your Chrome browser, okay, and it's going to appear on your YouTube account. So when you sign in, vidIQ is going to pop up giving you analytics on search terms you're going to be searching on YouTube. So let's say you go into the kid niche on YouTube and you want to start making money promoting kid stuff on YouTube now, and you don't want to be creating content. So what you're going to be doing is, when you search on kids on YouTube, you come to this filter section right here. I was really amazed when I learned this. So when you click on this filter tab, you come to Creative Commons. You click on Creative Commons, okay, and also you can also actually select other filters, maybe videos that was uploaded this week or today, or videos that was uploaded this year. You can actually select that. You can choose 4K videos or HD videos. You can filter by this search. Let's say you just want to go with Creative Commons, okay. Now, what Creative Commons actually help you do is you're allowed to reuse the videos on YouTube without getting copyright strikes, okay. That's the most important part. Now, I encourage you, what I advise other people to do, because that's what I'm currently doing in some of my other YouTube channels that has nothing to do with my personal branding and all that, is that when I'm uploading videos on YouTube, I actually change the title tags and I change the thumbnail, okay. That is what I literally do on them. And sometimes I tend to tweak the videos so it doesn't look exactly like that, but you don't necessarily have to do that because it's videos that is allowed to be reused, so you don't necessarily need that. Now when you click on a video and you come down here and click on this show more, when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing the license showing Creative Commons attribution license, Creative Commons attribution license, reuse allowed. So you can actually reuse this content and you're not going to get copyright strikes, okay. When we go back, let's check other videos. Let's just scroll down to a random one right here. Let's pick this one. Click. Let's pick from another channel. Let's just click this one. 1 day ago. This was uploaded 1 day ago. Now this was let's pause this right here. So let's come and check the description. Also come here, you click here, so you can see the license right here showing Creative Commons attribute license, reuse allowed. So you're allowed to use this content, okay. Now what I advise, like I said, always try to change the title a little bit. You can retweak it. It can be similar but not exactly. You can retweak it and change the thumbnails you already have right there, okay. So that is literally how you are going to be uploading this content on YouTube. Now once you get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel is going to be monetized, and YouTube can partner with you and start paying you 55% for ads, okay. The YouTube is going to be splitting money for ads that is going to be running on your YouTube channel, you know, which are going to be giving you 55% of it, you know, running ads on your channel. So you can be making money off YouTube ads alone, as well as another strategy you're going to be using to make money on your YouTube channel is affiliate marketing, you can actually be putting affiliate links on the description, just like this. This is most likely to be an affiliate link, or they're promoting their own product online. Okay, so you can actually promote your product on your description box, and maybe on the video you can just put in click the link in the description or something to encourage people to check out your description box. So that's all for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button and stay on the lookout for my video for tomorrow. I'll be putting out content tomorrow as well. And also let me know what you think about this in the comment section. If you would like to know in depth on how to get this done step by step, on how to grow a YouTube channel or how to grow a viral YouTube channel on a niche that is very, very competitive and highly searched online, you have to join my Builderall team. You have to click the first link in the description. I'm going to leave a link right there. Click the first link to join my Builderall team, where will give you $3,000 worth of training. Okay, and which is going to help you to fast track on how to grow a YouTube channel and all that. Andrew Mohem is part of my team, so he has a free training which we're going to be giving you when you sign up for our team today. So take action, guys. Action is all you need to achieve your goal, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.